All right, guys. 2019 Chevy Express 3500. Mine's extended. Yours may not be. I don't know. I can't read minds. You tell me. But basically, yesterday I pull up to do a job. It's a pressure washing job at someone's house. I go to shift it into park, and I grabbed the shifter, started moving it. It went into neutral, and then it just felt like all the resistance was gone from the shift lever. So I didn't know what happened. I didn't realize that this was a common issue on these GMs. It's not just the Chevy Express vans. It's, you know, Tahoes, Escalades, Silverados, Sierras, all of them, man. GMC, Savannas, everything. So they all have this little common problem with the shift cable. It's not really the cable itself, which on mine it's a two-piece cable. It's probably the same on the trucks and SUVs too, but you can buy two separate pieces of the cable. But the most common failure, from what from the research I did, was this little piece that holds it onto the shaft. So let me show you. So these right here, okay, and these suckers are tiny. They might look bigger on the camera, I don't know, but that part right there is like smaller than a dime. There's the part number 14092. I got this at O'Reilly. It was $12.99 plus tax, and it comes with two of them. I haven't looked at the end of the cable that's up underneath the steering wheel area. It's fairly easy to get to from the videos I watched, but I did look up under where the cable connects to the transmission, and that little piece is gone. Oh, well, doesn't the Chevy dealer sell those? No, they don't. They're going to sell you the lower half of the cable, and it was at my Chevy dealer, it was like $40 or $45. And then you got to go unroute the cable, take all the clips off, take the cable apart. Kind of a pain in the butt. So this right here should fix it. By the way, there wasn't a lot of, I probably watched 10 or 15 different videos, and no one said what side of the car the shifter cable connected to the transmission at, and it is the driver's side. Okay, so let's crawl up underneath this driver's side, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm about right at where the middle of the door is, and it's right up under here. So as you can see, this, I'm trying to hold my camera while I'm doing this, but the cable is fine, but that little bushing is not in there. And I think this is it's a simple design. It makes it easy to swap a cable out, I guess, but I mean, they should have put a nut or bolt. I mean, that should be like a threaded stud right there. And this should go on there and have like a nylon lock nut or something. I mean, that's crazy, man. And they put it on a lot of years. I saw videos of cars from like 06 and 07 and up that all have the same problem. And if you don't know how to crawl up under here and fix this, it can leave you stranded somewhere. I was about to take this van to Florida last week, and we ended up taking another vehicle, and this could have happened there. Anyway, use your imagination on what could have happened, but if you need to get home, if you're stranded, you can put this on there and tie a zip tie around it and still shift it into drive, and it's a very temporary fix. But let me grab this part and I'll show you. Okay, so here we are with the little part. Now what you want to do, this little part with the tab on it is going to go in through the back of that cable, and they do have a little bit of flex to them. little bit of give. So I can't do this one-handed, so I'm going to set my camera down for a minute and get that in there. But it's basically going to pop into the middle of there, and then you will pop it onto this stud. See, it's got one small side where this little tab thing is, and it's got one big side. The big side is going to go towards this lever right here. The small side is going to go out this way. Okay, let me squeeze this thing in here. You might want to use some kind of lubricant. I'm going to use spit, but you can use whatever bodily fluid you want. And I'm also probably going to use a little screwdriver and a pair of pliers, and hopefully I don't mangle it. So let me get this in here. Hang on. All right, guys. Try to get it focused in here somewhat. So it's in there. That took about, I don't know, 15 seconds. And I used a, what is that? Irwin vice grips, but you know, channel lock pliers, whatever, adjustable groove joint. I'm not a scientist, man. Okay, so once again, fluid of your choice. Sorry, that grosses you out. And you pop it on there. And there is a little bit of, sounds like it's a little bit of play, but the play is actually in the lever on the transmission. Try to get a good shot of that. But, yep, she on there, man. We're good to go. Let me crawl my large body out of here. Hang on. Whew. All right, I'm sweating now. It's only probably 108 heat index in Houston. It's no big deal. Probably 97% humidity. Don't worry about it. It's no big deal. Anywho, here's part number once again. Get that focused on here. 14092. 2 of these. That's all you need. So let's climb in here and make sure it works. I brought this little screwdriver and that one with me, but again, bodily fluids, and press it in with a little pair of pliers. I've seen some guys use sockets and kind of press them in there to not damage it, but I'm just not that smart. All right, let's get keys in. Just double check here. All right, there's reverse, neutral, drive, and manual and first. Works just fine. So that's fixed. Hope this helps y'all out. Hope I saved y'all some money. Like and share the video, comment, whatever you want to do. I appreciate y'all watching my channel. Y'all stay tuned. I got lots more to come. Thanks a lot.